Hello. My name is Pat, and I'm here to tell you about PushButton Marketing. PushButton Marketer. Saturday, May 1st, 2010. Part of your brain is thinking that this could be the biggest hyped up pile of junk that you've ever seen. Could this be real? The proverbial push-button system. A magic bullet. I certainly do. It's the reason why computers were invented in the first place, to do work for us. And ever since the time, mankind has been improving the computer, teaching it to do new things, and getting it to do more work for us. Today, some computers are bordering on artificial intelligence, and they perform countless tasks for millions of people daily. Do you spend a lot of your time on your computer? Do you regularly devote portions of your precious time to one or more of the following activities? Automation. After all, you don't really want to be a slave to your business, do you? And yet, that's the way it is for so many work-from-home entrepreneurs. They work at home for the freedom, but they end up becoming a slave to their business. You didn't sign up to become a slave, did you? Not only am I needed by them in the offline world, I actually do prefer to live in the real world. If you're anything like me, perhaps you like doing stuff offline too. So I've had to find various ways of streamlining and automating portions of my business. Personally, I'm happier running my own business. But regardless of your business building style, whether you work by yourself or if you have an entire team of people working for you, the following principle applies. You will get more done if you can harness technology to do it for you. How could I harness the true power of my computer and get it to do the work for me? My answer came from a friend in that business. We'll call him Mr. Q. You see, Mr. Q is a very successful online business, and it got to the point that he could not longer handle it by himself. So he gladly accepted Mr. Q's offer to have him help out with some stuff, and in turn learn the ropes of the business. Fortunately for all of us, Micah doesn't take too kindly to pains in the rear, so he decided to do something about it. We call him the master of efficiency, because he's never content with the speed of his work. And yet, most of what Mr. Q was having to do were repetitious, mind-numbingly annoying things. To make a long story short, he discovered a customizable software program that was able to accomplish most of what he wanted it to do. Over the past few years, he has developed this program into a unique system that completes tasks for him on demand. No longer does he view the menial tasks of internet marketing as pains in the rear. Then he automated various tasks related to managing my many websites. And on, he continued to train his special software to do whatever he wanted it to do. We knew we had something big on our hands when he pressed one button, and his computer did a job that would have normally taken him 8 hours. Would you like to be able to press a button and let your computer do something like that for you? It's now been a couple of years since that epiphany, and Micah and Mr. Q have continued to use this special software for new and increasingly more complicated things. And while it was custom-tailored for the needs of Mr. Q's business, I always knew that it could be customized to meet the needs of any business.